Mail call. Hi, I'm Ron Paulk, and this is Smart Woodshop. If you want to get yourself a set of plans to build one of my workbenches or the Smart Woodshop for yourself, you can click on the link in the description of this video down below. Also, if you like these videos, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And remember, when you subscribe, ring that little bell so you'll know when I drop a new video. Well, more and more with this bit of social isolation, this distancing we're doing, staying out of the stores. So I typically order a lot of stuff online. I just find it easier to shop around and find what I want, read the reviews, find the best price, and get it shipped right to my door. But a lot of times with materials, I'll drop into the hardware store, big box stores, and just paw through and find what I want to get. But again, it's a little bit more of a hassle now. So even with some of the materials, I have picked them up online. One of the things I wanted was a few threaded inserts. And so I ordered 2 different kits. One kit I got the other day. I didn't do it in mail call. And it was really all I needed. It was 1/4 20 with the internal thread, and then it had different lengths. And so I got a variety of about 10 different lengths. And really that's all I needed. But I ordered them at the same time. And so this one is a bit more of a variety of internal diameters and lengths. So that will be handy. I'm going to go ahead and hang on to it. I do like having stuff like this in the Smart Woodshop, my little hardware store. I've shown you that before. I've got a little drawer with little miscellaneous hardware so that I'm not constantly having to run to the hardware store to find one little thing when I'm putting a project together. Now I will be using the other kit to make a modification to the Smart Total Station. So I'll make a separate video on that. I think it's going to work out pretty well. At least we'll see. The other thing I got was another consumable, kind of in the middle between a consumable and a tool. And that was a little kit to go with my new battery or my new cordless Dremel tool. It came with a nice little kit, but I needed a bigger variety. Well, I went online on Amazon, and there were so many to choose from, and they're all so inexpensive. I found this kit, and you see how little this thing is? For some reason, I visualized it being the size of a medium-sized tackle box. And so I had already thought that I don't like cases and boxes. I don't have room for them. They're not very efficient for me. So I was going to go ahead and spread them out in my little viewtainers. But when I took it out, and it's so organized, it's so small, this will drop right in my drawer. So I'm going to hang on to this little plastic box and the separation. But what I got was just a big variety. 300, I think this was 359 or 360 pieces. They probably count every little thing, every piece of sandpaper and the box itself. But still, it's quite a few pieces. And it was fairly inexpensive. It was less than $40. I'm going to say $38, $39. I'll put this in my store, my Amazon store. So if you, that same link down below for the plans, if you go there, Ron's Amazon store, disclaimer, if you purchase anything, if you go into Amazon through there, Amazon does share a little bit with us. Now, they don't charge you any extra, which is kind of nice. It sort of helps support the channel. But even if you don't, I'm going to make the videos anyway. So what I got was a bunch of little burr grinders of different sizes, which will come in handy, a few little drill bits, some stone grinders, some wire wheels and brushes, a nice little flapper sander, that'll probably come in handy, and a whole little stack of cutoff wheels, and then some compound polish, another wrench, and then some the little attachments that go in that some of the different parts and pieces will fit on. And then there's 2 little side drawers. One of them has a nice selection of stone grinders and both the discs and different shapes, and then a couple of sander discs as well. Drawer on the other side has all of the various polishing discs. I don't use those a lot, but they'll come in handy. And then another bigger drawer, oh actually, yeah, and another bigger drawer on the bottom. And this one is full of little drum sanding discs and a whole bunch of sanding discs. I'll pull these out of the pack and just drop them in the drawer when I get time. So not a bad little kit. And like I said, for the price, it's not the Dremel brand. This is Lignimate, and it's 349 pieces, rotary set. So again, if they probably rotate around on what's available. If it's still available, I will put it in my store before I publish this video, so it'll be there if I can find it. I hope you're all taking advantage of this time to get organized, to get projects done, and to get ready to go back to work. It's gonna happen real soon. Stay safe, and thanks for dropping into the Smart Woodshop. Have a great day.